morning student, I am Mamta Singh. Welcome you all to the Summer Splash 2020 Mathspedia class. Addition. We all are familiar with this word addition. Addition is a process of finding total or sum of two or more numbers. Generally, we find the sum of two or three numbers. But whenever we talk about 5 or more than 5 number, it will become little bit hard for us. So today we will try to learn a new and easy method, that is dropping tens method. Addition with dropping tens method. So we will take an example. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 2, 3. We want to add this number. Generally we start addition from top to bottom, but here we will start addition from bottom to top. From bottom to top. So start 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 6, 11. Whenever we get some 10 or more than 10, whenever we get some 10 or more than 10, we will drop 10 here. We will draw 10 here. And to remember it, we will draw a line or bar there. So here our sum is 11. So tens we will drop here, and what is remaining? 1. 1 carry to the next number. 1's carry to the next number. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Again we get the sum more than 10. So we drop 10 here. 11. And what is remaining ones? 1. 1 carry to the next number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 4, 30. Again more than 10. So we will drop 10 here as a bar, or remaining ones. What is remaining ones? 3. 3 we will write here. After that we will count tens. 1, 2, 3. So sum of these number is 33. Now take other example. 7, 4, 2, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1. Now let's start from bottom. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Our sum is 11 more than 10. So we drop 10 here as a bar or line, or remaining ones we will carry to the next number. Remaining ones carry to the next number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15. It is more than tens. So we will drop 10 here as a bar. And what is remaining ones? 5. 5 carry to the next number. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Again we get some more than 10, 11. So we will drop 10 here as a bar line, or ones carry to the next number. 1 plus 7, 8. So we will write 8 here. After that we count the tens. How many tens here? 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3. So our sum is 38. Do addition of 2-digit numbers. So 34, 45, 62, 93, 65, 24, 72, 91. We want to add this number. Here we will start from right side first. It means we will add ones first and after that we will add tens. We will start from the bottom. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 7 plus 5, 12. It is more than 10. So we will draw our line here and drop 10 here and drop 10 here. What is remaining ones? 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Again 12. So we will drop 10 here as a bar or line. What is remaining ones? 2. 2 carry to the next number. 2 plus 4, 6. We will write here 6. How many tens are there? 1 and 2. 2. 2 carry to the next number. 2 carry to the next number. Again start. 2 plus 9, 11. So it is more than tens. We will drop 10 here. What is remaining one? 1. 1 carry to the 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Again we drop 10 here. 10. Remaining ones is 0. Carry to the next number. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. We again drop 10 here as a bar line. What is remaining ones? 5. 5 carry to the next number. 5 plus 6, 11. Again we drop 10 here. Remaining ones is 1. 1 carry to the next number. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. We will write here 8. After that we count again tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our sum is 486. What is our sum? 486. Next example. 41, 63, 35, 92, 26, 55, 73, 32, 40. Here we will add these numbers. We will start from right side. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. We get some 10 here. So we will draw 10 here as a line. Remaining one is 0. So we will start from 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 again more than 10. So we will drop 10 here as a bar or line. Remaining ones 3. We will carry to the next number. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 we will write here. After that we count the tens. How many tens are there? 1 and 2. 2 carry to the next number. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 9 plus 7, 16. So drop 10 here. Remaining ones is 6. 6 carry to the next number. 6 plus 5, 11. Again drop 10 here. Remaining carry to the next number. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. Again drop 10 here. 2 carry to the next number. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Again drop 10 here as a bar line. 1 carry to the next number. 1 plus 4, 5. We will write here 5. After that we will count tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our sum is 457. 457. We will take example of 3-digit number. 4, 2, 6, 5, 1, 3, 6, 6, 0, 4, 2, 3, 1, 5, 6. We want to add these number. First of all, we will start from right side. It means we will start from the ones place, after that tens place, and then hundred place. From bottom, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Sum is more than 10. So we will drop 10 here. What is remaining one? 2. 2 carry to the next number. 2 plus 6, 8. We will write here 8. And then count the tens. How many tens are there? Only 1. So 1 carry to the tens place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. It is more than 10. 14. We drop tens here, and what is remaining one? 4. 4 carry to the next number. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. We will write here 7. How many tens are there? Only 1. So 1 carry to the next number. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Sum is more than 10, 12. Drop tens here, remaining 1, carry to the next number. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. Again more than 10, so we will drop 10 here, and what is remaining ones? 1. 1 we will write here. After that we count the drop tens. 1, 2. So sum of these number is 2178. Let's take another example. 5, 2, 7, 6, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 4, 9, 2, 6, 3, 3, 5, 2, 2. Now we will find the sum of these number. We will start from the right side. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So our sum is more than 10 here. We will drop 10 here. What is remaining one? 3. 3 carry to the next number. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. We will drop 10 here. Remaining ones. Remaining ones is 3. We will write here 3. After that we count how many tens are there? 1, 2. 2 carry to the tens place. 2 carry to the tens place. Now start. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. We get some more than 10 here, 16. So drop 10 here. What is remaining one? 6. 6 carry to the next number 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 again more than 10. We drop 10 here. 1 carry to the next number. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. We will write here 4. And then count the tens. 1 and 1, 2. 2 carry to the 100 place. Sorry. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Sum is more than 10. So we will drop 10 here as a bar line. Once is 3. 3 carry to the next number. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Drop 10 here as a bar or line. 5 carry to the next number. 5 plus 5, 10. Again drop 10 here. What is remaining one? 0. 0 we will write here. After that we count the tens. How many tens we dropped? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3043. I hope you all have understood this dropping tens method. So practice this method at home. After that, your addition will become very easy for you. Stay safe, be healthy. Have a nice day. Thank you.